I'm Stephen from PITAKA. So today I'm gonna to run a challenge to see how long will it take to charge 6 devices at the same time. As you can see here is Apple Watch, the AirPods Pro's Switch, and Huawei P40, and Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and a normal iPad. So I'm gonna to run a test that how long will it take to charge all these 6 devices with cables. So are you ready? Here is a timer. You will calculate the time, and then let's begin. Mission complete. So it is about 1 minute cost to charge 6 devices in this test. So during this test, I feel that which costs most of our time is when you choosing the cables among of out of products, because some of them is Lightning, some of them is USB-C. Yeah. So if we use the air only to charge these 6 devices, how long do you think we will take?